You don't have to say it. I don't have to read your mind to know that emptiness has finally arrived. I want to know right oh Lord, where have you spoken? So where did I go, Lord? Tell me, if you still love me, look into my eyes. Would have born if there's a certain time I need you now so I can feel alive. How could you know you want me to sometime to see if everything could work? You'll be mine. I will lose forever, or someday I might find the words that I've been searching for, or just some peace of mind. Tell me, honestly, if you still love me, look into my eyes. Tell me, if you're still looking into my eyes, honestly. More than my life that ain't wonderful, there must be more light and to that. They ain't here go back while I am living there alone here. Come down, if you're still looking into my eyes. Tell me if you're still looking into my eyes. Honestly, I stand before you, accused so many crimes, but I want to believe that love can still survive.